Hello everybody, I am Attila Tanner. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to a brand new video of Next Stock. This is the last video of 2021, and the next video we will talk about the whole year that was. We will compare the Canadian index with the previous years and see how much it gained or lost. And we will also do the same for the US indexes as well, Dow Jones and Nasdaq, etc. But for this report, we have a few highlights to present. A few companies did report, such as Adobe. For Adobe, my target rate is $552, which is almost where we are trading at the moment, 3% from current tradings. Accenture, for them, my trading rate is $286, which is 29% lower compared to where they are at the moment. Nike reported as well. For them, my new target rate is $136, which is 17% lower compared to where they are trading at the moment. All right, this completes the highlights. So let's dive into the regular reporting. I'm going to go over the value stocks, dividend stocks, growth stocks, and the Pricey stocks for US and Canada. We start with the US and we start with the value stocks. Here we're looking at the high market cap companies and low price to earnings. So these are the most safe stocks in the US. Number 1 is JP Morgan, number 2 is Bank of America, and number 3 is Verizon. Pfizer, who was in the list before, drops out since the stock price has been going up and their threshold for price to earnings went above it, so they couldn't make the list. Dividends in the US, Petro China is number 1, AT&T is number 2, and China Petroleum and Chemical Corporation is number 3. The growth stocks in the US market is as follows. Moderna is number 1, Vroom is number 2, and Biohaven is number 3. For Biohaven, we have a starter, meaning their price to sales is high, so be a bit careful. The percentages that you see here, the P stands for the price growth, S for the sales growth, and we're comparing basically sales growth with the stock price growth. And we also check the current stock price just to make sure that index is correct when we make the list. All right, let's look at the pricey ones in the US market. Ford is number 1. General Motors are number 2, and Wells Fargo is number 3. That completes the US market. Let's dive into the Canadian market and the value stocks. Royalbank is number 1, TD Bank is number 2, and Bank of Nova Scotia is number 3. The dividends in the Canadian market are Enbridge is number 1, Pembina Pipeline is number 2, and TC Energy is number 3. The growth stocks in the Canadian market are Lightspeed is number 1, Air Canada is number 2, ARC Resources is number 3. For the Canadian Pricey stocks at the moment, Cameco Corporation is number 1, Shaw Communication is number 2, and Loblaw is number 3. All right, this completes the last report of this year. If you like the series, please subscribe. And if you like this video specifically, you can also like, and I will appreciate it. If you have comments, questions, ideas, suggestions, please enter them in the comments below, and I will see if I can do something about what you suggest. Before making investment decision, always gather as much information as possible. Thank you so much for watching this year. Join us next year as well. Thank you. Bye bye.